Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Albert from Xi'an China. I'm thrilled to have you here. In this channel, we explore everything about the history, culture, education, tourist attractions, and the people of all walks of life in China. Mostly in the form of bilingual interviews of Chinese locals and international visitors. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the Datang Everbright City in Xi'an. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's jump right in.
陛下以神圣武功平定四海，又能不忘文德之根本，假以时日，大唐定能文胜武强，长盛不衰。治乱以武，守成以文，文武之用各随其时，吾当顺势而为，此乃治国之道也。
Datang Everbright City, located in Xi'an, China, is a vibrant cultural and commercial hub that seamlessly merges history with modern-day attractions. Situated in the heart of Xi'an, one of China's most historically significant cities, Datang Everbright City serves as a prime example of how contemporary development can celebrate and preserve cultural heritage, while providing a dynamic space for leisure, shopping, and entertainment. The legacy of Xi'an as the starting point of the Silk Road and the former capital of several Asian dynasties is palpable throughout the city. And the Datang Everbright City epitomizes this rich historical context. The development was inaugurated in 2013 and has since transformed the area into a fascinating destination that encapsulates aspects of the Tang Dynasty's glory, which is often regarded as one of the most prosperous and culturally rich periods in Chinese history. Once you step into Datang Everbright City, you are met with an environment that invokes the grandeur of the Tang Dynasty. The architecture is deliberately designed to reflect traditional Chinese styles, characterized by distinctive eaves, intricate wooden structures, and vibrant colors that conjure images of ancient palaces and bustling streets. This architectural homage not only enhances the visitor experience, but also educates guests about the historical significance of the Tang era. One striking feature of the Datang Everbright City is its impressive night scene. As dusk falls, the area is illuminated with colorful lights that enhance the grandeur of the traditional architecture. Through stunning light displays and carefully curated nighttime activities, the city transforms into a magical landscape that draws in tourists and locals alike. The lighting design highlights the intricate details of the buildings, creating a striking contrast against the night sky. Street performances, live music, and cultural shows further enrich the atmosphere, making evening visits particularly enchanting. This modern complex beautifully integrates shopping and leisure. Covering a vast area, Datang Everbright City boasts numerous retail outlets, ranging from high-end international brands to local artisans. Visitors can shop for souvenirs that reflect the city's culture, including traditional crafts, ceramics, and silk products. In addition to shopping, The area features a wide selection of dining options, from authentic Xi'an cuisine to international fare, allowing guests to indulge in the flavors of the region. The famous Xi'an biang biang noodles and the yang rou pao mo, which is bread soaked in mutton soup, are highlights that visitors must try during their stay. Moreover, Datang Everbright City is not just a commercial zone. It actively promotes cultural exchange and interaction. The venue regularly hosts an array of cultural events, festivals, and art exhibitions. These events serve to educate visitors about the rich tapestry of Chinese culture and history, allowing for meaningful engagement between performers, artists, and the audience. Such activities reinforce the city's commitment to cultural preservation and appreciation in an increasingly modernized world. For families and entertainment seekers, Datang Everbright City offers various attractions, including amusement parks, theaters, and historical exhibits. These facilities cater to all ages, providing an enjoyable and educational experience. The balance between entertainment, shopping, and cultural enrichment makes Datang Everbright City an ideal destination for families, tourists, and history enthusiasts alike. Datang Everbright City stands as a testament to Xi'an's cultural significance and its ever-evolving identity. By blending the old with the new, this vibrant hub encapsulates the spirit of the Tang Dynasty while accommodating the demands of the contemporary life. Whether exploring its picturesque streets, indulging in the local cuisine, or participating in cultural festivities, visitors to Datang Everbright City are guaranteed a memorable experience that resonates with the heart of Chinese heritage. That wraps up today's video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or questions. I love connecting with you. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.